Previously on Tafaoga.
Last time on Tafaoga, we went fishing in Seaside, and Hughie scared away the fish with his singing.
I love the sea.
And Sefa made out with a barracuda.
Hey, don't tell my mom.
Talofa, welcome to another episode of Tafaoga.
I'm Hughie and Sefa.
And I'm Hughie.
Coming up on today's episode,
We continue our quest to catch the big one, this time off the coast of Upolu.
I get the song now.
yeah, which one?
Elengi, elengi.
Oh, you gotta keep it down. We want to catch the fish today.
Oh, I'm sorry, you didn't like my singing? Proud of you, Sefa. Get into it. Let's go, Sefa.
And then we swing at some balls on one of Samoa's most picturesque golf courses.
Get out of here, man.
Are you sure that's your ball?
Part 1 of our fishing adventure took place at Waimoana Seaside Lodge in Seaside.
In part 2, we travel all the way back to the capital Apia and depart from the Matautu Marina.
Tafaoga, we're here in Apia, Matautu Wharf.
Today we're going to be targeting Spanish mackerel with Greg from Troppo and the team. It's going to be awesome. Let's go check it out.
We make our way out to what the fishermen call the Spanish Highway.
While waiting for the right tide and conditions, we decide to chill out first with some bottom fishing.
Right now I'm just making a burley trail. We gotta get the apailingi, or the mackerel, in the water to get the scent out.
See, I get the song now.
Yeah, which one?
Elengi, elengi.
Oh, you gotta keep it down. We want to catch the fish today.
Oh, I'm sorry, you didn't like my singing? Elengi, elengi.
Afalai,
Silia lemongi. See, the fish know it.
faitalia oi, se fainga e faiai. No. Let's go.
That's a really good start. Excellent.
Gotta be patient, you gotta relax, but don't relax too much because you gotta move the rods around. Of course, you gotta get the bait comfortable at the bottom because they're watching it, and I have a feeling we're gonna catch some pretty soon.
That's gonna happen 4 hours later.
Wow.
Come on, Sefa, we talked about this.
I don't
Come on,
think-
buddy. Come on.
I don't think it's on.
Also, you're better than that.
Now, being in Samoa, we are conscious of the reef and the sea life around our beautiful islands. So if we catch a small fish like Sefa's probably going to do, we throw it
Paddle
back.
tail snapper.
I don't want to kiss it.
But you can kiss him.
Oh, let's go.
There you go. He's a little bit little.
Oh, come on.
And you still got bait on it.
Oh, wait, calm down.
No, it was right there. No, I'm serious. I'm serious. Yes! You're on. Oh, come on! I knew it! I'm awesome! I knew it! My mum was right!
Let's go. Let's go.
Hey!
So guys, this is the green jobfish. Could be the best eating bottom fish in Samoa, right?
You're welcome.
And mate, well done. Mate.
Thank you. But cheers, guys. Okay, so Skipper just said there's some spinner dolphins up the front, so we're just gonna have a bit of a look around. Hey, all right. Oh man, there's so many. There are about 12, 15 dolphins out the front there. Incredible stuff.
Oh, this is my time to shine, baby.
Hey, look at you, man. First big fish.
Young Seth, baby, 685, let's go. It's coming.
Good work.
Oh, it's a big one.
Proud of you, Sefa.
He's a tough one.
Pull him back.
Get into it.
Keep going. Let's go, Sefa. Keep going. Come on. There you go.
I think I lost it.
I mean, you could be here for hours trying to reel in the big one. It's definitely a game of patience.
I almost had it.
Yeah, I tell you what, that was close, mate.
That was quite the workout.
I've never seen a jump like that, man.
Yeah, brilliant. Well done, buddy. Well done. That's fishing.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay, Sefa. You did good. You did good.
We didn't have much luck today with the big ones. It just wasn't our day. But hey, and it's like the old saying goes, it's fishing, not catching.
Hoping to have better luck with the birdies as we move to our next adventure of the day.
We all know Sefa has never had good luck with the birdies.
Alright, stay with us. We'll be back after this important message.
Talofa, my name's Hughie.
And I'm Young Sefa.
We've been on some pretty amazing adventures all around Samoa, and wherever we go,
We always use the Samoa Travel Tracer.
Samoa's own COVID-19.
Contact tracing app.
It's an important digital tool that'll help contain.
And stop the spread of COVID-19 in Samoa.
Simply download the app.
Register, turn on your Bluetooth, and you're good to go.
The app uses Bluetooth to trace other app users.
Who come into close contact with each other.
If an app user becomes infected with COVID-19,
Or you were in close contact with an app user who is infected with COVID-19
the Ministry of Health will request user consent.
to upload their close contact data.
And there's no need to worry, all data is securely stored on the STT online server.
And is only accessed and used by authorized health personnel.
For the sole purpose of contact tracing.
And keeping Samoa safe.
The Tracer app will collect only your mobile number.
Not your name or address, so don't worry.
So please use the app.
And keep beautiful Samoa safe!
Staying in Polu, not too far away from the marina, we traveled to Whangalii to play a round of golf with a couple of so-called pros.
Okay guys, we are now at the beautiful Royal Samoa Country Club in Whangalii.
We've had a long and productive day, and we thought we'd finish it off with a game of golf. Malo boys.
Hey, I like it.
I'm so excited to learn from the best Taika and Forest.
Okay, before we start, boys, first thing first, Sefa, you had the wrong dress code.
What?
Wrong dress code.
Yeah, you look
Oh,
like you're
no.
going to the Mount Mana, bro.
So,
You look really good, bro.
oh, thank you. I tried. Yeah.
What? I thought we played golf in the
I like the
island.
beautiful Samoa, but it's not that.
Okay, I'll go and look for some gear, and I'll be back.
All right. Good work. Yeah, Sefa. Yeah. I tried to tell him.
5 seconds talo na fatali le mele la tupu.
Wow, Sefa, o ka se maangai lo fuso.
Do I look the part now, Hughie?
Well, you could pass as my caddy uso.
In today's PGA Masters of the Universe title, we have Young Sefa teaming up with Rob, the pro, and Hughie teaming up with Yulai, the professional amateur, for a royal drubbing at the Royal Country Club.
Sefa will give you the honor.
Oh, wow.
Come on, man. You got this.
Okay.
Quiet on the green now as Sefa does some weeding.
I think I have a slight northeasterly warm front that should project a trajectory off my bowls due west of the equator.
Is he hitting a golf ball or kicking a rugby ball?
Quiet on the green.
Oh, sorry.
The result, no doubt, will be the same. Way off the mark.
I think that got pretty close to the green, eh?
Actually, I think it's probably still closer to the tee.
You know what happened?
What happened?
Eyes on the pole.
Yeah?
You know the swag? Huh? Just do that. Eyes on the pole and look.
Okay, so not enough swag. Got it.
He's not gonna make it.
I have a feeling we're gonna win this hole.
Yeah.
Show us the way.
Hey, so.
I think I'm in pretty good hands with my professional partner, Rob. I taught him everything we know.
So all I need to do is somewhere in between Sefa and Rob's shot. I think I'm going to be okay. Fingers crossed. Here we go.
Head down, watch the ball, and swing.
Little lava, not enough swag,
Did that
Hughie.
go through or did that?
What a slice.
You mean slice of heaven?
Well, if you're trying to slice in the trees, it's what we...
We've got 18 holes to figure this out. It'll be all right.
Chula with the unorthodox style, but very effective.
Yeah, went
That's
to the
fine.
branches.
No, that's good. That's good. Good shot. We got this.
I would tell him to keep
All
his
right,
head
guys, in
down
trouble.
and feet planted in the follow-through.
Chula or Taika. Oh, that's amateur.
Well, I guess I went a little further than I thought. I thought I hit the tree, but it's okay. We're okay. We're in the fairway. We'll do okay. Right.
Are you sure that's your ball?
It's my ball. Yeah.
Hughie, do you like cake?
I do. Why?
Because you're serving up the slices today.
Silly. I will being.
Come on, Seth. What are you doing?
Hey, don't try and kill the birds.
A good thing I have my professional partner here.
Yoi.
My protege Rob displaying the swag and the swing expected of my students.
You taught him well, young Sefa.
That is Master Sefa to you.
Okay, so honesty call, I may have sliced my ball just a little bit, but it's hard to be annoyed about that when you're playing in such an amazing golf course. We've got palm trees, we've got the ocean view, we've got the warm sun, we've got Sefa. I mean, the last part's debatable, but everything else is great.
The Royal Samoa Country Club is a very lush course with the routing taking advantage of dramatic hilly terrain, acclaimed by many professionals the world over, including myself.
Oh, look at this with your fancy rangefinder.
Man.
Okay.
Pro golfer.
We have a championship to collect.
Hey, we got to figure out the trigonometry and the pi of the slice of pizza and...
What a serious guy with his range finder tool, but hey, they need all the advantage they can get.
Okay, according to the rangefinder, we have 135 to the flag. Exactly to the flag.
Attack.
Go for it.
Attack, attack.
All right.
Wow, you really do like your slices, don't you, Hugh?
Hit it. Oh.
Hey, that's good. That's good, partner. Good, partner.
And you guys still suck.
Also, according to the rangefinder, knowing the distance to the flat doesn't improve your technique. Wale lava le swag.
See? See? Okay, so we're here at the 6th hole at the Royal Country Club in Whangalii, and you can't actually see the green from where we are. You've got to pitch it up and down about 70 meters.
Actually, it's a signature hole here.
Yeah, yeah.
Some people love it, some people hate it.
How about you?
I love it.
I love it. Sefa?
I'm eating, man. I'm ready. I'm ready now.
Only one thing to do now. Grip it or rip it. All right. All right, here we go.
Are your arms?
The famous 6th hole, a short downhill par 3 with the green tucked inside a hill.
Oh,
where's that? Where'd it go?
This isn't bad. We can find it. I can see it. I can see it. It's good.
That's close.
Oh, it's all right. Is it a bit right?
No, just keep it to the left. Just be confident in your dreams.
That's right, you can't really see anything from here, so this is where my sixth sense at the 6th hole will come into play.
No! No! Are you kidding me? It's on the green! It's on the green!
Well, they doubted me from the start, but I showed them that if you possess enough belief and swag in yourself, anything is possible.
What, like fluking that shot on the green?
Hey, professionals. Absolute silence on the green from the thousands of spectators. We are here with young Sefa, lining up his final shot for the win.
What? Oh, no.
Magnificent shot from young Tiger, baby!
That's okay, it's okay.
It feels good to be back on top. I'd like to thank my sponsors, my friends and family for always supporting me, and of course, Hughie and Sefa for never believing in me.
Well, you know what they say about beginners like Sefa. Probably fluked it all. Nah, congratulations to the Uso, you did an amazing job. Good team play today. It was an awesome day out at Whangalii. We had a great time. All right, guys, well, we're just gonna relax at the T20 bar. It has been a fantastic day. If you wanna try something a little bit different, I highly recommend coming down to the Royal Country Club because it was just an awesome day.
But this is Tafaoga. Experience the beautiful Samoa. Cheers!
We are.
Cheers, Jan.
And you.
Thank you very much.
And you. Cheers,
We did well.
We did okay. We did okay. My lord. You know what? You hit the ball. You hit the ball. Hey, you know where the green is, It's that green thing right there.
So I just caught the, was it malai?
Yep.
I just caught the malai, but we had to let it go and put it back in the water.
Because it's still so big, eh?
Yeah. Just threw a fish.